Hey, this video is to show how to deploy your web application to Tomcat Server. I I developed this web application. It's a kind of small social media, and today I will show how to deploy this web application to Tomcat Server and run. Okay. So first of all, we need to select the artifact. Go to File, Project Texture, and the artifact. I already selected on social.war or social.war. You can select yours clicking here, then go to artifact, and then you can add one. Click OK, and then click OK. Then it's almost done. Then go to build and build artifacts. Then social, you can choose any of these because I have two artifacts. I will use social war.war, this one, and build. Okay, that time I actually selected the path. The directory is in my desktop, so it should be in my desktop. Here is it. Social war.war file is here. Then we copy it, go to our Tomcat directory. I will use Tomcat 9.0. My Tomcat is in my C drive. Here is my Tomcat. Go to web apps and paste the war file here. Okay, and now run your Tomcat server using start up from bin. So it's going to start. You can see. Just hold on a second. This isn't showing too many data because I already have another project deployed here, so it's showing the data of those projects. When you see startup in the time that must milliseconds, that means server already started. Now we can go to our browser and see our project. So my server is running on 8080 port, so we can check whether our server is running or not. Just type localhost 8080 slash. It will refer to our Tomcat server homepage. Okay, then we need to check our web application is running or not. So our web application name is social underscore war. Click OK. Now our web application is open. Now just entering our username and password, we can check our application is running properly or not. Yeah, it's running properly. You see, now we can see our dashboard. That's all. I mean, this is the way you can deploy your web application to Tomcat server. Thank you so much for watching this video.